Echo. I just wanted to come on here and share with y'all one of my God body smoothie recipes. I got family members that's attempting to encourage a healthier lifestyle. They've been expressing to me that they've been trying to get into the smoothie mix, but they be making nasty smoothies. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna share some of my smoothies because all the smoothies I make be God. So I ain't even prep nothing. I'm just going straight into it, just like any other day. So what we got up in here? Bam. Give me one of these good organic apples. My wife be smashing the strawberries, but I'm gonna polish those last couple off with some blueberries. Almost bust my ass getting up, but it's all good. We got mango chunks. What else I want to put in that thing? A banana. I guess it would help to do some prep, because I'm working with one hand right now, but it's all good. Keep it real over here. Let's see if I can set this up for you. What up, Tut? I was just thinking about you. About to hit you up soon, too. Just putting together me a smoothie. How you been, bro? Oh, yeah, I'm just chopping up the apple so I can get as many of the fruits as I can into this container. What it do, man? How you doing, man? Holla at me. That's what's up, man. I've been working a little too. Had to take a little pause. It's all good. I've been just taking time to just get more into my fruit. I ain't been eating too much cooked food lately. Been on my tut motion. So yeah, got the whole apple chopped up in there. I get these organic fruits I don't even like to use the water to rinse a lot of this stuff off. Chop me up some organic strawberries. Yeah, I just really came out here to make this smoothie because my cousin hit me up the other day. Like, I've been trying to make smoothies and all of them been nasty. I'm like, man, it's so simple. I don't even be on here making videos like that. But when people come to me just looking for something to learn that I already know, it encourages me to get on here and share myself. So. Bam, got your strawberries and your apple. Got me a handful of blueberries. I was just reading today that all of the berries, they help a lot with your nervous system and balancing your nervous system. And I was just reflecting on how a lot of our issues and a lot of our diseases, be starting with our nervous system. And a large part of that is because, like, a lot of things we done been through, it's a lot of damage we've done to our nervous system. So, berries is something that I'm really diving into heavy right now. Bam. Blueberries. Organic blueberries. I don't know if these bananas is organic. Sometimes I go, the places that be having organic bananas, a lot of times they be harvesting them way before they ripe. So, I don't know, I just be feeling funny about bananas that ain't ripe. Cause it's like the fruit didn't get a chance to do all it needed to do on the tree. So, bam, put the banana up in that thing. Got some organic cranberry, blueberry juice. You can use whatever juice you like. I experiment with different juices and waters from time to time. Just so I happen to catch this on sale, so been rocking with that for a minute. I'm about up to here with the juice. I use me a little coconut water. I'm up to here, about here in coconut water. And sometimes I just go there, but I'm going to take an extra step to add a little more nutrition to the mix. Hemp seeds. Raw hemp seeds at that. And a lot of people be concerned about protein and stuff like that. Hemp seeds assist in that department. Iron, stuff like that. Your B6, thiamine, stuff like that. A lot of things that people be trying to say you're missing out on if you only eating fruit. So I like to sprinkle a little bit of hemp seed on that thing. Bam, and that's it. I'm about to blend it. I like to make sure I blend this until it's all really smooth. Sometimes the frozen mango can not break all the way down if you don't keep it on the blender long enough. So we got the magic bullet. It's funny because it's been sitting around in the house for a couple of years before I even bust it out. And we've been making the most use of it these last couple of months. Excuse the noise. Bust that thing down. lot of times when it's spinning and you see that circle at the top, that's like a good indication that it's sucking everything down and processing everything well. Like I said, with the frozen mango, sometimes I use frozen banana. Sometimes a piece of gets stuck on the side and not really get in the mix, so I shake it. Bam. That's that. You just enjoy this, boy. Like candy. Gotta check this out. Man, I can bust down about 3 of these in a day. It's funny because we be thinking like, bust you out a smoothie in the morning, and and then it's time to go eat. Shoot, I bust a smoothie out and bust another smoothie out if I need to. And incorporating more fruits in my diet, been it make me less like I don't crave cooked food so much. Every now and again, it's like I'm realizing it be like phases. The body be needing different things at different times. But for me right now, I'm good. A lot of cooked food. My wife, she got it's like a vegan tofu scramble or something going on here. But I just wasn't ready for that. I don't know. I might snack on that a little later, maybe. But this smoothie right here is life. And she made a vegan pizza last night. That was absolutely delicious. I took my time. I didn't even eat with her at the time. I just kind of took my time. And I think I made me another smoothie before I did that. Shout out to Vicky O for encouraging this. Shout out to Vicky O for encouraging this video. You know what I'm saying? I'll be sure to share my knowledge as I see people asking. When the student is ready, the teacher will present itself. So I ain't going on my way to teach. You know what I'm saying? I'm going on my way to learn. I'm finding my teachers and I'm learning more. Learning more for myself. So if you got a concern, or you interested in something that I'm into, or you see I can help in some type of way with some information, feel free to hit me in my inbox, my DM, in the comments. Just let me know what you might need to learn, and if I know, I share. If I don't, I'll try to point you in the right direction. So enjoy the rest of your day. Get you some organic fruit. Get you some spring water. I'll share.